If you're walking through the lively streets of Phnom Penh, don't miss out on one of the cuttest and most fun street food treats in the city, cartoon pancakes. This little pancake stall has become a favorite stop for children and families, and it's easy to see why. Each pancake is carefully cooked in the shape of popular cartoon characters, from bears and bunnies to superheroes and smiley faces. The pancakes are soft, warm, and smell amazing. They're not just adorable, they're also very delicious. What makes it even better is the price. For just $1, you can enjoy a freshly made cartoon pancake. It's the perfect sweet snack for kids and even for adults who are young at heart. So, if you're visiting Phnom Penh and walking around the local markets or food streets, keep an eye out for this charming little pancake stall. It's a small taste of Cambodian creativity and joy, all in one cute little pancake.